Hey guys, today we're diving into 10 facts that sound totally fake, but are 100% true. Prepare for your jaw to hit the floor. Let's go. Alright, let's kick things off with something that might just ruin your next fruit salad. Bananas are berries, but strawberries? Not berries at all. True berries have seeds inside the flesh, like grapes and blueberries. Bananas fit this definition perfectly, but strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are aggregate fruits. Each tiny seed on a strawberry is an individual fruit, called an achene. So, a strawberry is a collection of tiny fruits. Mind blown, right? Next up, we have a food item that's basically immortal. I'm talking about honey. This sweet golden nectar, produced by bees, never spoils. Archaeologists found pots of honey over 3,000 years old, and it was still edible. Honey's secret? Low water content, acidity, and an enzyme from bees. This enzyme creates hydrogen peroxide, a natural antimicrobial. It's a triple threat defense system. Let's blast off into space for this next mind melter. Imagine a place where a single day lasts longer than a year. It's true for Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but it orbits the Sun in 225 Earth days. So a day on Venus is longer than its year. Prepare for a number so big it'll make your brain tingle. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on planet Earth combined. Scientists estimate that there are roughly 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains of sand on Earth. But the universe just looks at that number and says, "Hold my cosmic beer." Current estimates suggest there are somewhere between 100 billion and 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. And there are estimated to be over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The total number of stars could be around 200 sextillion. We are truly just a tiny speck in an unimaginably huge universe. Let's dive deep under the ocean for this next incredible fact. Octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts are called branchial hearts. Their primary role is to pump blood through the octopus's gills. The third heart is called the systemic heart. This one is responsible for circulating the oxygenated blood from the gills to the rest of the octopus's body. Interestingly, the systemic heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. This might be why octopuses tend to crawl more than they swim long distances. Oh, and their blood is blue because it uses a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin to transport oxygen. Alright, time for a fun one that will change the way you talk about your favorite pasta dish forever. The actual, proper, Italian term for a single strand of spaghetti is a spaghetto. In Italian, many nouns ending in O in their singular form change to an I in their plural form. So spaghetto singular becomes spaghetti, plural. Imagine walking into an Italian restaurant and confidently ordering, "I'll have 1 spaghetto, please." So next time you're about to twirl your fork, remember the humble spaghetto. There are more trees on planet Earth than there are stars in our entire Milky Way galaxy. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way galaxy contains somewhere between 100 billion to 400 billion stars. But then, a study published in the journal Nature estimated the total number of trees on Earth to be approximately 3 trillion. So even on the lower end of star estimates, 100 billion, and the current tree estimate, 3 trillion, trees outnumber Milky Way stars by a significant margin. It's a powerful reminder of how incredible and vital our planet's ecosystems are. We live in a forest, not just a world. Let's talk about the raw, untamed power of nature. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast approximately 100,000 slices of bread. The average lightning bolt carries about 5 billion joules of energy. Toasting 1 slice of bread takes about 30,000 to 60,000 joules. So, if you could somehow harness all the energy from 1 lightning strike, you could power a massive toast-making operation. It can heat the air around it to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, up to 30,000 degrees Celsius or 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Nature is truly powerful. Alright, this next fact might make you look at your fruit bowl a little differently. Humans share approximately 50% of their DNA with bananas. This 50% similarity refers to the genes themselves, specifically the ones that code for proteins. Many of these shared genes are responsible for fundamental cellular functions that are common to almost all living organisms. So no, you're not literally half a banana in the sense that you could photosynthesize or be peeled. But this genetic overlap is a fascinating testament to the shared evolutionary history of all life on Earth. So, next time you eat a banana, give it a little nod of respect for your distant cousin. For our final fact, let's look up at the sky. An average cumulus cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. The secret lies in the sheer volume of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that make up a cloud. While each individual droplet is incredibly small and light, a cloud is made up of billions upon billions of them. The density of water in a typical cumulus cloud is about 0.5 gram per cubic meter. When you multiply that tiny density by the massive volume, you end up with an astonishing amount of water. So the next time you see a fluffy cloud, remember, it's a colossal million-pound water reservoir floating effortlessly above us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts and amazing content every week.